Welcome back to another video. Today we got this 98cc motor started. Last video we put the motor in, and now we finally started it. This cheap little carburetor off Amazon. And what's it called? Let's get right into it. I'm actually going to be using a drill to start this motor, because the pull starter right there on top of the toolbox doesn't fits for that, but this one, I don't know. I don't like pull starters anymore because I have a drill, so let's just get started. Oh, and by the way, it's not leaking oil. We got oil on the frame because we were trying to change the oil, and 600 milliliters is way too much. And I tried cleaning it with dirt, but it didn't work. So, yeah. This one holds 600 milliliters of 10W30. This one holds 10W30, but way less. So, yeah. Right. Can't really put the phone. Guess I'm about to sit on the wheel. Do this one-handed. Did it? Alright, this one started up pretty easily. Usually it takes like first whatever, but I had to do it with one hand, so it's kind of hard. Alright, this is also pretty easy, but it uses a 13/16 to start it, so yeah, let's get it on. Kill switch off. Oh, this one, you need like crazy amount of throttle, or like to rev it over and over, because I always screw up these idle screws on, even if it's a VM22 carb or a stock carb. I don't know how I do it. Yeah, this one has a VM22 carb, but crashed it, and the red air filter broke. So we got a gold one, which was $8. The red one's $9. I wanted to save it up. I don't know. Wasn't my idea, so let's get started. This one has more compression, so the drill doesn't really work. Yeah, this one starts right up. Also, for each mini bike, we gotta get clutches, because this one, and you might be asking, where did clutches go? The clutches actually blew up one of us trying to ride, both of them, because I didn't oil the bearings, which you're supposed to, and I didn't do, so, yeah. Yeah, about the clutch situation. I actually try to use like this is a 5/8 clutch on this little tiny 98cc, and I tried to use, this is a stock clutch and stock whatever. I tried to use this 3/4 because I only have 420 chains, but this shaft bore is only a 5/8, and I need a 3/4 shaft bore so that I could put the 420 chain on. But I ordered one that was a 5" 5/8 bore and a 420, or like a clutch that can go on a 420. So yeah, this is mini bike update with both mini bikes getting a header pipe, new carburetors, and one is 98cc, one's 196. So I bet the 98 probably goes like 20. This one goes like 40. So I'm gonna give my brother this one, the slow one. Or no. I mean, the super fast one. I might not give it because it might be fun. Or I let someone else ride it. But this one's my favorite.